So here you have Auroville symbol. And Mother describes it like this. The dot at the center represents unity, the supreme. The inner circle represents the creation, the conception of the city. And the petals, 5 petals, represent the power of expression and realization. Just put a little bit of this, keep in your mind as we move, because you will see how it keeps reflecting in where we are going. Here you actually have 3 maps or 3 projections of Auroville. What you have down here is the green circle is the green belt. Auroville has a city, which is the galaxy model, galaxy master plan, and it's surrounded by a green belt. You see the lake, the blue at the center. What you see around is parks and mobility. But you see the blue is the lake, and the very island in the middle is the MatriMandir and the peace area. So here you can see the city area without the green belt. You see the mobility, the movements. The elements of the galaxy all have a very deep meaning function. Much of it still to be explored, but it is very, very clear that when we work with the MatriMandir and the galaxy, with Auroville, it is an interaction between the progress of the human beings and the progress of the city. We are here to build a city. Actually, the city is instrumental in building us. And not just that we go and do these things, because actually, and it is very clearly seen with MatriMandir, when an element comes in place, it affects the whole place. We see it when some of the gardens are ready, okay? Something starts to work. It's as if you're turning on the spinning tops or switching on buttons, no? It's a process which will be going on for a long time, because it's supposed to reflect our consciousness also, and our consciousness will grow very interactive with the growth of the city. So here you have MatriMandir. So it's an essential part. It's actually a city with a soul. This is the soul of the city, which I can't identify it here now. But here you have it. The banyan tree is there. Banyan tree is actually the physical geographical center of Auroville. So all the circles, what comes, goes from the banyan trees in their measure. The soul is a little bit to the side, no? And the soul is the MatriMandir.